Imagine walking into a meeting room that's already up and running, lights on, systems ready, and everything prepared for your business day. With our automated startup and shutdown function, your rooms are always ready when you need them, and powered down when you don't. Here's how it works. Before anyone arrives, the system automatically starts up the room, ensuring it's fully operational and ready for use during business hours. When the workday ends, the system shuts everything down, conserving energy, reducing costs, and helping your business stay environmentally conscious. But that's not all. Overnight, automated maintenance tasks, like system reboots, keep everything running smoothly, so your technology is refreshed and ready for the next day. That means no manual setup, no downtime, and no extra labor costs. Just a seamless, efficient, and eco-friendly experience. And because every business runs on its own schedule, startup and shutdown times are fully customizable, tailored to match your unique operating hours. Smart, simple, sustainable. That's the power of automation, keeping your spaces efficient, reliable, and ready for success with Teatrx.